People continue to hesitate against threat to territorial integrity of Manipur by final outcome of Naga peace talks unabated. Protesters under the initiative of Kokomi stormed Deputy Chief Minister Y. Joykumar and Lok Sabha MP R.K. Ranjan's residences. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee expresses suspicion of a hidden agenda behind government's failure to call a special assembly session. Ex-MLA R.K. Anand resigns from NEITP to join freely in people's hesitation to protect Manipur without any restrictions. International Peace and Social Advancement IPSA bans government doctors from working at private hospitals from January 1, 2020. And security tightens in Imphal city in the wake of recent bomb blast. Police conduct cordon and search operations in various areas. Hello and welcome to Impact News, watching Primetime English News. I'm Kangusam Shalira with the top stories and latest news at this hour. People continue to hesitate unabated against threat to the territorial integrity of Manipur by the final outcome of Naga peace talks. Women folks of Uripok, Khwaisnam Laikai and Uripok stays in alert protest meet today against disintegration of Manipur under the banner of Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity, Kokomi. Students of Brilliant School, Iboton Shana Higher Secondary School and Heritage Convent School also joined the protest by performing human change and chanting various slogans. With growing tension over the final settlement of Naga peace talk, women members of Apun Bayaifa Tharang Nupilo, Uripok tried to storm at Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joykumar's residence at Uripok Naremthong in Imphal West today. The women agitators from the Deputy Chief Minister's constituency wanted to know his stance on the issue. However, police halted them and allowed only few representatives to meet with the minister. Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joykumar told the protesters that assurances given to Kokomi for a special assembly session will be ascertained after Chief Ministers and Biren returns from New Delhi. Meanwhile, protesters also stormed Lok Sabha MP R.K. Ranjan's residence at Kongba demanding to know his stance on the issue. Manipur police personnel halted the protesters and allowed only few representatives to meet with the MP. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee expressed suspicion over the government's failure to call a special assembly session. The party also demanded the government to probe the recent bomb blast that occurred in a security-tight area. Speaking to media at Congress Bhavan today, MPCC spokesperson cum veteran politician Okram Joy asserted that the right step in the wake of the prevailing situation is to take a cabinet resolution to save the territorial integrity of Manipur and tabled it in the special assembly session attended by all 60 MLAs, stating that state BJP leaders assured of not allying with Naga People's Front before the election but joined hands with the party after the election. Okram Joy expressed suspicion of a hidden agenda.
ngasi lariba Manipur Assembly se masina hausina Manipur ki praja punamag represent toribane Kokomi na Congress party na naga Communist party na represent tawte. The house represent the entire population of Manipur. The House mirror the hope, aspiration, expectations, Manipur Prajaki. Adogadi, Huziki Gway, but some of the people must say the house no worry, low behind us here. On Tonga, Madam Saba, on Tonga Simba, Port Namanap. Huzik Lady State Kevin, Birin Gamin Nasina, worry on Logadavani, worry Adu Lauraga, Sarkar, resolution noina, Puto. Some of these folks wasn't told earlier in the press, agenda like they do, government agenda do later. Because agenda is the government agenda that a government resolution will be discussed and passed by the House. I don't get agenda later. I don't agenda later and high reward like Tiva or Apam Haina. I low deployment. My am of Hitorobukan, Simis and a Kantiga Haiba. Adagi election Gishiva, La Imniga Haiba, Han Gimniga and Harising Masina. We have the Dow, second agenda, Mrs. Pumi, right?
Assistant Coordinator Community and Affairs of Kokomi, Fundremayum Abdullah, has strongly condemned the state government for failing to call the special assembly session as assured earlier to Kokomi. Taking part in the mass protest under Kokomi at Kongba Bazaar of Imphal East District today, Abdullah condemned the state government as unfit government for it cannot even disclose details of the Naga peace talk, which has already culminated. Women vendors of KYO Kongba, Kongba Nongthongbam Laikai and Kongba Bazaar closed their shops and blocked half of the road in the area. Members of Laimarol Shairol also staged alert protest meet at Lamyan Basangland in Palace Compound, while members of Sanakonong Meira Paibilub and YWC staged alert protest meet at the Palace Gate.
Masiguma Matamasida, Zoki Young Yono can be Mung, Kanchalu Sanadana, Century Yakao, Young Lay Pibase, Maseko Miam Yabasum, Ham Tadoke, Kotoke, Kainako Miam Yabu, Madam Polete, Ham Tadoke, Leba, and Gadabni Hibashini. Honorable Semen Hans of Pondoki, Shibaina, Shibigi Kai, Shibigana. No, Honorable Semna, Shiba do not have King Hina, I call you Miam, Amasum, Lebak and Bado, Madune, Pamjari Bashe, as he go men of Indiana, I call you Miam, the Nam Tabagi Mong, the Toning, the Togani, Nakoi the Kanabagi, the car, Lady Hengasito, Ibo Kontangasina, Sumasum Letter, Junction Lapataragade, Tungi, Tunglam Amagidamakta, where Hangai Lady, I call you Miam, Kambagi Pangalan Biracano, Nasiko Komina, call you Miam Lusingi, Lusingam Davitan Zam, Tolapataragade, Manipur Sapa, Majawa Duna, the leader, Sumadu, my sharp Pangani Habsa,
India, Government Amadi, Nation, I am Anina, Sahisangna, Santigiwari, Sanarakpa, Masina Manipurgi, Boundary, Amadi, Saktam, Karaklabadi, Aikoi, Yaba, Suangamloy, Kokomina, Sangsilakliba, Kongjang Sida, support Tauzagani.
Former State Senior Vice President of the Northeast India Development Party, NEIDP, and inner candidate for Manipur in the last Lok Sabha polls, ex-MLA R.K. Anand has resigned from the party today. Speaking to media at his residence, ex-MLA R.K. Anand said that he took the decision to join in the people's protest against threat to Manipur by the final outcome of the Naga peace talk without any restrictions. He maintained that as NEIDP spokesperson, he was imposed various restrictions. R.K. Anand warned that his decision will be 100 times more severe than the June 18 incident if the final settlement of the peace talk even ever harmed the territorial integrity of Manipur. He said it is high time civil societies, MLAs and MPs to jointly urge the Prime Minister to protect Manipur.
Oh, my Miam was submitted in the hand that in the Hamakasoi, Miam was submitted in Lautoxer session was German and IDP. The Mangel Tan is up on Muktaba Miam Sangsi, noise the vibe that Pensilo Miam Sangsi, head of the party Tadok is in the quite for bra. Tanjas the Tankax the Manipur Yam critical or can the party ni hidden quite hiding the Koringo Miam restriction Miam bound to Roga, quite a tongue Miam. Hence, the Torbi wanted Tobum to aim Kamba Miam to walk Tom Montrugadi. I'll not be doing justice to the cause. Members of
the Indo-Burma Road Sports Association, Gimnam Plegai Chakwat Thorang Nubilu, Nabul Mapant Women's Welfare Association and Peel block half of the Imphal Moray Road and stays alert protest meet at Yumnam Plegai today. The protesters urged the Indian government not to disintegrate Manipur or create any communal disturbances by the culmination of Naga peace talks. Students of Eagle High School in Nagaram, Imphal East also carried out humane protest against any harm to Manipur.
Nagagi Santi Varisina, Manipuri Karimam, Kaiban, the PBR, Manipur Macheta, to Hydro culture, tradition, religion, Hiba, to Hydro, listen and Hena, it has about Lamnam say, Kahan Bayaroi, Karigumba, Karakot Taragati, Lamnam Sigi, Pai Hamilamba, Asugumba, Lamse, Asida, Soibam Lakuntam, the Fena, but how I Bamulatana, Asumba, Balizan.
Indiaga, Nagaga, Pisto, Aroiba, Waroshin, in the Sanagadori Basida, Akogi Manipur Gingam, Kai Machet, Amata Kaibayaroi, Taurokli by Irang, Asida, Akogi Manipur Gisakana Su, Akan Bapirep, Loba, Koipami, Santi, Oina, Waroshi, the solution view, Aduga, Akoju Santi, Pami, Masida Karigumba, Machet, Amatan Karak Labadi, Akogi, Akan Bakongzang, Akoju Sangsengani, Matang Sida Manipur Sakana Su, Akan Bapirep, Low.
Residents and students of Sugnu Langjing, Wakpokpi Tangzing Kuno, Jazing, Korsang Tabi, Mangjing Tangzing Kuno, Kaupok, Sugnu Jongving, Sokomt and Sero also carried out alert protest meet at Sugnu Market in solidarity to Kokomi. Residents of Kombakhetri Lekai, along with members of Chanam Lekai Apunba Nupi Samas Welfare Association, staged alert protest meet. Students of Brighter Academy at Chekon carried out human chain protest demanding to give the state's territorial integrity intake. Students of Johnston Higher Secondary School also came out on streets and agitated against disintegration of Manipur today. Taking part in the protest, Social and Culture Secretary of the School Students Union, Manichand, warned that students of the state will not remain silent in the wake of threat to Manipur.
Any Amadi, Central Government, Santigi Warosim, Pronova, Honogabani, Karigumba, Manipugi integrity, Solakadawa, Mong Urakotagadi, Imalabakadamak, Satra Kunagadamak, Akamba Kungjan Jagani Hana, Mediagi through the Tamjay.
Students of Dineshwari Higher Secondary School at Kanchipur in the Imphal West District also carried out human chain protest on National Highway Road in solidarity to Kokomi. Members of the Young Development Association and Yaifa called Nupi Marub of Liwa Lambi, Ahong Sangbam Lekai also carried out alert protest meet in solidarity to Kokomi today. Members of coordinating body Kurai Moirang Kampu Sazeb Makhalekai Nupi Club, Top Kuno Meira Paibi and Moirang Kampu Nupi Thaudang Club also carried out alert protest meet under the banner of Kokomi today. After the sit-in, they formed human chain protest at Moirang Kampu Bridge. Members of Film Forum Manipur also staged an alert protest meet in front of Film Forum Office Manipur in Sanakaitel today against disintegration of Manipur. Taking part in the protest, Chairman of Film Forum Manipur S. Mangol Jaun said that the forum will carry out intense protest along with people in solidarity to Kokomi.
India government gi mapuksel sengdaba mawong NSNIM gi mapuksel mawong makhoi gi thokthorei ba uthorei ba mawong singsina ngasi aikhoi ramdam sida leipam khangdre maramdi aikhoi Manipur da sing tam asi yam nungsinana ipai pu haktak tagi leimina jarakpani adu handak ikhang khangudana India government amasung NSNIM na peace talk ni hadan sahi kun thoi rom makhoina wari sarakpa matamda framework agreement ni haidana makhoina sangsal leiba khongjang asida wari sabasu loire haiba RNB no wari saba loire bunmak loisanne hairakanda maduda yauriba wafam do ngasi bo phongdoktana thamba haibase masi puksen sengdaba India government gi thausilamani tamasi yamna thengjilla abanina Manipur da leibiriba irepa iramna masida pokba chawba sigadoriba bureaucrat officer sing IS officer sing doctor sing engineer sing ngasi tumine leibiranu makhoisu makhoi gi level da angamba wafam phongdoktana makoi gi su makoi gi thodang lei haibase upiba matam moire haibo wafam se akhoi thamjaningi.
Alert protest meetings were also carried out at various parts of Bishnupur district demanding protection of the territorial integrity of Manipur today. Members of Joint Committee on Manipur Integrity, Moirang Subdivision, under the banner of Kokomi, staged alert protest meet at Oksongbung Kwakta, Terakhongsangbi, Khudekpi in Moirang, followed by human chain protest on Tidim Road. Students of Bishnupur Public School staged human chain protest, chanting their slogans on Tidim Road. International Peace and Social Advancement IPSA has banned government doctors from practicing at private hospitals from January 1st next year. Speaking to media at IPSA office in Kaisampot today, Secretary Organization of IPSA Waikom Rabi cited the recent RIMS casualty incident and condemned that a doctor shut down the RIMS casualty emergency service without getting any permission from RIMS higher authorities. He demanded the government to punish the miscreant doctor. Waikom Rabi warned that names of government doctors found working in private hospitals will be publicized and urged the government to look into the matter. Rabi further urged the government to provide 24-hour ultrasound facility at government hospitals. He asserted that government doctors should stop sending their patients for a diagnostic test at private clinics. He stressed the need for adequate diagnostic equipments at government hospitals to curb the same.
Asuk saukraba Manipur gi lemjaningai oiraba hospital asibu mane hekta supreme tawba yabagi mongda tawgibasi IPSAna taraina logde maram maduna leipak miyang khangna RIMS ki authority na mana tawjaruba thogdoktugi sapsaba dandi amadi IPSA gi site gi pihaningi January gi tang amadagi private hospital da leibiriba government gi doctor sing mangakanba haigadra usi thoidaba haigadra paisa duka ki khallaga satpiribra Manipur government gi makhada leba doctor kayana ngasidi Manipur khunai gi lairaba mayam se telanghumbina thamna sabugum tapna sasalakne maram maduna tang amadagi private hospital da lebidunaba ningsingjari medical gi line da IPSAna lisang sitna thamjarakpa miyeng dugi manung channa makhoi busu aikoina leipak miyam da mana leramiba hospital dugo konana miyam da lauthukchagani matamduda sakmai adagi isilinauni haibigi wakhalol IPSAna yengtaba yai.
Security has tightened in the state in the wake of recent bomb blast. As a part of the security measures, Imphal East District Commando team carried out cordon and search operation at Andor parking area today. Imphal East Commando team, including women personnel under the supervision of the Imphal East Additional SP Operation, TH Krishna Tombi, carried out the operation from 9 to 9:40 a.m. today. The team verified 94 people and picked up 4 persons without proper identification documents for further verification at Porampat Police Station. Imphal West District Commando team also carried out search operations in Imphal City today. Police team under the supervision of the Imphal West Additional SP Operation, Amarjit Lamabam, led by Imphal West Commando OC P. Achoba, conducted search operation from 8 to 9:30 a.m. and verified around 300 individuals. The team apprehended 11 individuals and took them for further verification at City Police Station. A combined team of the Imphal East District Commando, led by Imphal East District Police SP Jogechandra Hauvism, extended financial aid to the police personnel who sustained injuries in the recent bomb blast by unknown miscreants at Thangal Market on November 5. Imphal East District Commando team has arrested two suspected active cadre of proscribed UNLF. The arrested persons are 46-year-old Muhammad Nizamuddin, son of Muhammad Wazid Ali from Urup Chinga Laikai, and 32-year-old Chingakamp David Meitei, son of CH Toiba from Kerawag Camp. Impact News sources said that the team led by Imphal East Commando OC Y Sakti Sent under the supervision of the Imphal East District Commando Additional SP Operation TH Krishna Tombi arrested them in front of the Royal Enfield showroom in Singzamai Chingamatak at around 4 p.m. yesterday. They are accused of being involved in extortion of money at shops in Singzamai area. The team took the arrested miscreants and their vehicles to Singzamai police. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you a report on today's student union election for government colleges of Manipur. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. After the break, you're watching Primetime English News. Student union election for government colleges of Manipur was conducted today in a peaceful manner. Various student organizations vote for their candidates of choice at various colleges. Impact News reporter Elangba Musuk and camera person Iro Mocha bring you an exclusive report.
ngasi asi Manipur lenga ki makhat laiba tongan ba college singi student union election gi numit ni haiba election asina mahiroi khunai asida kari kana ba pibage amadi election gi hojik chathariba mong matau sing asi gi matang da koi Manipur gi tongan ba laiba college singi mahiroi singa unaduna wari sabi tanja ru lojage bosina koi gi chhatra singda kari kana ba pina khale
haidi political gida moida aphabaromna lagnabagida haidi college tagi hauna takpi banyana lo moida haraga koina tawba ngamdaba gaido moida haraga boina mayam glu chingba moiraga mateng pangba ngam
kanabada haragadi moigi khara mi thinaba ngambagi chang khara hengalhanba communication skill khara hengalhanba si mangare do
awon ma porokna ba Manipur se change tawna ba na matamna koi college ki su sigi election ji su yam daka lai hai tare
college ki oiba afaba mi khanba phangba se si yam nuai
awada pa leibdo akoina directly principal do ero head of department do ero haibado pharakta na tarsu moina koi representative oi dindana
college gi oina ko phatena sonthare na khanba thabok to mana inkhat pangam doine haina khale agi wakhal
ꯁꯟꯖꯤꯗ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔ ꯂꯨꯞ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯌꯥꯎꯁꯜꯂꯒ ꯇꯧꯕꯁꯦ ꯁꯤ ꯐꯩꯌꯦꯅ ꯈꯟꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯐꯠꯇꯦꯅ ꯈꯟꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ
ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯨꯗꯦꯟꯠ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯅꯤꯅꯀꯣ ꯃꯈꯜ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯃꯊꯦꯜ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯃꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯨꯞ ꯁꯤꯟꯖꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯀꯩꯝꯇ ꯑꯀꯥꯏꯕ ꯂꯩꯇꯕ꯭ꯔꯥꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯦ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯗ
mi mayamna thabakse mi ama khatangi individual gi wakhalon da tawrakpado adudagidi mi se mayam punjalaga haidi si tawse na tanabada mi do yamak taradi akoina sigi koksima pukhalaga akoi mayam si tawrase kholase habado adumai tawrakpada mi mayam adumai yaksalakpado aduna phai khali
independence already loop amagi support phangdabusu yaiba aduna kamai haini akoi phaisu haitreda haidi support dum kha phangi hai tare
student union gi maikaidigi sida tawgadamni sida tawgadamni haraga mi khanabagi chang swangpade simatu thadoni ya
handak chahi gi di satra si yam yame bako akhoi da khara diwai adu thudok pa kai to di tawgi di akhoi best level tawi han je akhoi lojai
candidate khara mai pak na binam ta ko hi hostel da sak ong ba khot pa sigum ba gi paw ba tai ko sigum da taw ba za ra na tra kamai to
ꯃꯁꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯆꯥꯅꯩ ꯁꯤ ꯇꯧꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯐꯠꯇꯦꯅꯗꯤ ꯂꯧꯖꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯀꯥꯅꯤꯡ ꯇꯥꯔꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯆꯥꯕ ꯂꯤꯗꯔ ꯂꯩꯔꯛꯇꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯕꯣꯠꯇ ꯆꯥꯕ ꯊꯛꯄ ꯑꯗꯩꯗꯤ ꯕꯣꯠꯇ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯄꯩꯁꯥ ꯄꯤꯕ ꯈꯣꯠꯄ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯔꯞꯁꯟ ꯍꯧꯔꯛꯄꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯣꯏꯅꯦꯅ ꯂꯧꯖꯩ
ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯌꯦꯟꯕ ꯈꯣꯠꯄꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯇꯥꯏꯑꯦꯕ ꯇꯥꯕꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯏꯁꯥꯃꯛꯇꯗꯤ ꯊꯣꯛꯇꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯍꯤꯟꯖꯥꯡꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯀꯩꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯌꯦꯟꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯩ ꯇꯧꯍꯟꯖꯅꯤꯡꯗꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ
ꯆꯥꯛꯆꯥ ꯍꯩꯖꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯈꯣꯠꯄꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯂꯣꯟ ꯂꯣꯟꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯇꯧꯅ ꯁꯤꯟꯅꯩꯌꯦꯕ
ꯆꯨꯝꯅꯇꯪꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯨꯗꯦꯟꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯄꯩꯁꯥꯁꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯆꯪꯍꯟꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯅꯁꯨ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒ ꯍꯌꯦꯡ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯅꯗꯕ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯁꯦꯟꯗꯣ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯆꯪꯉꯃꯤꯅ ꯀꯥꯍꯧꯗꯕ ꯃꯤꯗꯨꯗ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯊꯃꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯁꯣꯛꯄ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯇꯕ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯑꯣꯏ
ꯀꯣꯂꯦꯖꯇꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯀꯣꯂꯦꯖꯇꯒꯤ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯇꯧꯔ ꯆꯠꯈꯤꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯍꯌꯦꯡ ꯊꯣꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯑꯣꯟꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯄꯣꯔꯛꯅꯕ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯁꯦ ꯆꯦꯟꯖ ꯇꯧꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯣꯂꯦꯖꯀꯤꯁꯨ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯏꯂꯦꯛꯁꯟꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯝ
ꯃꯑꯣꯡꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯍꯥꯟꯅꯗꯩꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯑꯋꯥꯡꯕ ꯄꯣꯔꯛꯑꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯆꯥꯛ ꯆꯥꯅ ꯍꯩꯖꯥꯟꯅꯕꯗꯤ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯇꯧꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯍꯟꯗꯛ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯁꯦ ꯀꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯤ ꯑꯊꯤꯡꯕꯁꯨ ꯈꯔ ꯂꯩꯕꯅꯤꯅꯀꯣ
ꯍꯣꯏ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯕ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯄꯩꯅꯦ ꯍꯣꯏ ꯑꯃꯔꯣꯝꯗꯕꯨꯗꯤ ꯇꯧꯍꯟꯅꯤꯡꯉꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯀꯣꯂꯦꯖꯀꯤ ꯕꯣꯠꯁꯤꯗ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯆꯥꯎꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯄꯩꯁꯥ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯥ ꯊꯥꯗꯔꯒꯀꯣ ꯆꯥꯎꯅ ꯇꯧꯍꯟꯅꯤꯡꯕꯗꯤ ꯇꯧꯍꯟꯅꯤꯡꯉꯦ
ꯃꯁꯥꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯂꯣꯟꯗ ꯇꯧꯖꯒꯗꯕꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯃꯔꯣꯝꯗ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯔꯞꯁꯟꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯥꯏꯜ ꯇꯧꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯃꯤ ꯑꯃꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯔꯥꯏꯠꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯔꯞ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯠꯇꯣ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯌꯥꯅꯤꯡꯗꯦ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯁꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯃꯤ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯝꯃ ꯑꯆꯥ ꯑꯊꯛ ꯄꯤꯕꯗꯕꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯣ ꯃꯤꯊꯥꯏ ꯑꯃꯇꯪ ꯄꯤꯈꯤꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯦ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯔꯥꯏꯠꯁꯦ ꯃꯥ ꯃꯅꯤꯡ ꯇꯝꯖꯗ꯭ꯔꯕꯅꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨ
Manipur asisu democracy satpa India gi saruk ama oibana democracy gi khwaidi maru oiba election haiba si mahiroi singna laik tamngai matamdigi tamba si yamnamak mathau tai maram asina hojik Manipur gi tongan ba school college singda ngasi mak pangthoiba election asida candidate singna mai pak nagi damakta tongan ba makhan gi unfair means kya ama season na bagi tongan ba paudong kaya ama mahiroi singna thamai ba wafam asina asum oiragadi asumba sengba lusingba ama khanna bagi damakta mahiroi oiringai matamdagi yamna election asida niyom chumna pangthokpa ama mathau tari impact news kidamak camera person irom mosa galoinana miyanda paudam jari ba isa ama musuk GP college.
A missing person from Meghalaya was found in Manipur. National People's Party (NPP) in Manipur state took initiative and handed over the lost and found person to his family through Meghalaya's Jawai Assembly constituency MLA Wailakmiki Saila today. 65-year-old Doyen Suna from Mukla Umlangsor under Taklingking block of the West Kasijinja Hills in Jawai Assembly constituency went missing since last October 14. Speaking on the occasion at Hotel Classic Grand in Chingmairong, MLA Wailakmiki Shaila appreciated the state government, people of the state, police, members of the NPP Manipur, and Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joykumar, who is also a member of the NPP, for their helping hands and for keeping the missing person safe and sound in the state.
We have found him. He's here with us. So here I would like to thank who has really extended their helping hand. Thank especially to the people of Manipur. I think it's because of them. Because we were starting losing hope because it's almost a month now. But we have that hope because we know the hospitality and the nature of the Manipuri people. So I think today he's here with us is because all of them. Because I have heard from him that they used to give him shelter, they used to give him food and all. So on behalf of myself and from the family, and even I was speaking to our Chief Minister, Shri Conrad K. Sangma, Chief Minister of Meghalaya. I was speaking to him on the phone because he also has helped us a lot in this. I informed him that we have found our man. So he also said that please express my gratitude to the people of Manipur as well.
An unidentified non-local was found dead in a suspicious manner at a community hall near Kaitelmanbi police outpost around 6:30 p.m. of November 6. Pasoi police station has registered a suo motu case and investigations are underway. The deceased man is 5 feet 6 inches tall with thin physique and dark skin tone. He was found in a brown-colored long pants and a white and light brown strip full shirt. The body is kept at Rimsburg. One-day state-level seminar series on the theme Women and Child Trafficking Among Tribals, Means of Protection at Tribal Research Institute TRI Auditorium in Chingmairong today. TRI Manipur, along with all Tribal Student Union Manipur, Assumed and Social Welfare Department organized a seminar under the Ministry of Tribal Affairs. Speaking on the occasion, Assumed President Vaidiyo Satsang said that traffickers often succeed in persuading destitute and illiterate parents to send off their children in abroad for higher studies, but in reality, these children are exploited. He mentioned that there are numerous cases of exploitation of trafficked tribal girls in abroad. Satsang said that the seminar aimed to raise awareness on human trafficking to the people. Additional Secretary of Tribal Affairs and Health Letkoin Haukip, who took part also in the event, urged people to take the benefit of educational facilities provided under the state and central governments. He called upon everyone to join hands against human trafficking. Program officers of State Child Protection Society, Social Welfare Department, Mala Leisim, and Sandhya Rani Mangsatabamt, and Project Officer of FXB India, Suraksha Kihe Sunit, were among those present in the seminar.
All Tribal Students Union Manipur, the DRI in partnership with Social Welfare, Chipullaga Shinbishina, Manipur, especially tribal areas, which is women and children, she traffic due to lack of information, poverty, lairabam machasing mayam larik tamhange thabak pige na mapanda yam challaga brothels da ko nadraga mafam tunga mafadaba chagada atum thammeba thamaga traffic tawraga da wisi tribal population yam grabane adu no koi khra sensitize tawraga awareness ka kino seminar tawraga means of protection se kramaina tawrati phagadra hai se nupi macha adagi mama adagi activists mayambu awareness piraga se social media se
Media sensitization was held today at Family Welfare Department ahead of upcoming Japanese encephalitis vaccination campaign. The campaign will be carried out at Tamenglong, Noni, Kamzong, and Ukhrul from November 11 to 30. Health Director Dr. K. Razo urged people to administer GE vaccines to children between 1 to 15 years of age to save them from the dreaded disease.
Quite Hana, stick Marisha Togodomini, Mamang, Amata Kapidri JC, Kappa Matungsita, Quay campaigns or Matunga Koi routine immunization and a Nutiki immunization to Wadum Horani, 9 months of Angangina, 9 months in Surapada, Dozama Kakani, the Matangana, Kogi 16 to 24, Surpomatamsi, the Dozama Kakani, so my Togana Kogi routine immunization, the cover, Adum Torga Sakani, Prajasing the hygiene embassy. Yakoigi Lady Singi Dising Marisidata, Habi Tamenglong None, Amadi, Kamzong, Ukul Sidata, Lady Sahi Amadagina Saitra Mogi, Angang Masa School, Satriba, Satlaba, Bauzilo, and Putoga, Pachana in Japanese encephalitis vaccine Z, Kapiu, Sumaito Natam Tidaba Anaba, Hidang Latraba Anaba, Masidiking Atoxi.
Members of Manipur State Commission for Women's MSCW today inspected the condition of women inmates at Central Jail in Old Lambuland under MSCW Act 2016, Section 10, Clause G. Speaking on the sidelines, MSCW Chairperson Dr. Binota Meshnamd said that the Commission will identify talented and educated inmates to enhance their lives. She assured of extending necessary assistance in guiding them in the right path. Dr. Binota mentioned that interaction with the female inmates would aid in forming a gender policy. Jail SP K. Kunzakeshwar also took part in the inspection.
Makoigidamagta akhoi Women Commission kari thorang paikhatpa yabage haibase akoi handak nauna semjabagi tanja lauringai sida gender policy semakpa matamsida makoigi kainosu tawiyaba area kharasu I put up to go janingbagi su ngasi verification gi tanja adunena I haizabata.
Free Wi-Fi will be installed at Karang Island at Lota Port in Bishnupur district, which is India's first cashless island to increase tourism and promote digital India. Digital Transformation Award 2019 was presented to Karang Island in New Delhi on November 6. Speaking to media at District Mini Secretariat today, Bishnupur DC Nita Arangbam appreciated the people of Bishnupur District for begging the award. Taking part in the press meet, District Manager of Department of Information Technology, Prasanta Oinam, urged people to cooperate in bringing a technological revolution.
East India na hena akoigi rest of India dagi hena digital payment sigi adopt tawba dagi akoigi prime minister gi magi dream je si yokhatna bokona bada North East India na hena chawba thodang lawe na mana adubaw acknowledge tawbi gi ba akoina por eba award je akoi district ki award ne ba ai isa mitum dagi award ne lobi gano district ki oina phangba award ne aduna akoigi it is a moment of great pride for the district that we have been able to get this award.
Citizen Council Manipur has announced that the council will distribute mic speakers and pen drives containing Pena Yakarol script to raise public awareness on the significance of Pena Yakarol. Citizen Council Manipur, under the initiative of Manipur Palace, Umang Laikanba Lupt, Occult and Universal Friendship Organization (UFO), has been organizing the awareness on the same at various Umang Lai farmland local clubs and community halls in the state. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, President of Citizen Council Manipur, S.H. Nanda Mangang, said that the council started distribution of microphones and pen drives containing Penayaka rolled script at Umang Lai farmland clubs and community halls in Thobal, Khangabok and Wangkem constituencies since January 20 this year. He urged people to collect the same from the council office at Thobal Ketri Lekai.
Mafum kayada haiba Pena Yakarol se santomi basing se akoi na ngasi haijen ningi si santoi binba sing sibudu akoi council na thagasari iroina na akoi na puthokjeriba maye sam na harakana da akoi sana kunungi maisau puren masnam apabi mahaki maye amasung leibak miyam akhang mai khuding na tanara kanda akoi na puthokjeriba maye si oina akoi na prenda su akoi dum leijare masisi akoi council gi office tagi lobby haiba wafam sima riski mang sum hongdoksari.
Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. People continue to hesitate against threat to territorial integrity of Manipur by final outcome of Naga peace talk unabated. Protesters under the initiative of Kokomi stormed Deputy Chief Minister Y. Joy Kumar and Lok Sabha MP R.K. Ranjan's residences. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee expresses suspicion of a hidden agenda behind government's failure to call a special assembly session. Ex-MLA R.K. Anand resigns from any IDP to join freely in people's agitation to protect Manipur without any restrictions. International Peace and Social Advancement IPSA bans government doctors from working at private hospitals from January 1, 2020. And security tightens in Imphal City in the wake of recent bomb blast. Police conduct cordon and search operation in various areas.